when does leadership as a title happen? Ito na yung binibigay ng tao 'pag, nakuntento na sila sa tulong na nagawa mo. To my mind and to my personal belief, leadership is not acquired, especially it is not acquired by electoral processes only. But that, of course, that is the reality in our country today. Leaders, in quotation mark, acquire the title of leadership, whether you're a mayor, a congressman, a senator, or whatever, because you spend something to buy that title of leader. It sounds disturbing, I would say. Pero yan ang nangyayari sa bansa natin eh. Can you imagine, I will always be disturbed. Bakit yung mga aspirant leaders natin palaging sinasabing gusto ko magserbisyo, gusto ko makatulong sa bayan natin. Pero bakit nagbabangayan? Yung iba nga diyan nagpapatayan. Don't you find it disturbing? It is disturbing. There is a lot of fake leaders in our country today. Sorry to say this. It's high time na magising yung mga kababayan natin, yung mga mamamayan natin. Leadership cannot be acquired by external processes like electoral processes. Real leaders, genuine leaders, never ambition to become leaders. Hindi nila iniisip na maging leader sila. Again, the principle says, good leaders are not position conscious. They are simply intention conscious. There is a big difference between position and intention. Again, it is disturbing na ang daming leaders natin ngayon gusto lang sa position. Pero ang intention naman nila ay hindi makatao.